Finally, a text from them after 4 days. Your excitement peaks as you decide to respond immediately, thinking this will surely grab their attention. However, things take an unexpected turn, and the conversation becomes a bit dry. Ever wondered why some guys effortlessly captivate women through text while others struggle? In this video, we'll delve into 3 secrets that can transform your texting game. Secret 1. Avoid boring questions. 041-1. Common mistake is relying on mundane questions like, "What are you up to?" This approach often leads to uninteresting conversations. Remember the time you lost Tinder matches because of such dry messages? Let's leave those behind and explore a more engaging technique. Secret 2. Be playful, flirty, and slightly bold. 210. Instead of mundane questions, inject a playful, flirty, and even slightly bold vibe into your messages. Surprise her with unexpected statements like, "I bet you're stepping on snails right now." It may seem unconventional, but these unique messages will set you apart from the generic, dull conversation she's used to. Secret 3. Don't let her kill the vibe. 828. When she throws a dull question your way, don't fall into the trap of responding conventionally. Many guys make the mistake of answering, leading to monotonous exchanges. Break the pattern by sidestepping the boring question and steering the conversation in an exciting direction. Bonus secret. Make her emotionally invested. 1138. The key to winning her over is making her emotionally invested in you. Most guys fail to grasp that women are drawn to a spectrum of emotions, not just positive ones. Whether it's excitement, mystery, or even a little frustration, stir up a range of feelings to keep her thinking about you constantly. Conclusion. 1320. In the world of dating, mastering the art of texting is a game changer. Applying these secrets may feel unconventional, but the results speak for themselves. Embrace the challenge, step out of your comfort zone, and watch as your texting skills elevate your dating game. For more exclusive tips, check out the links in the description for free workout routines and insights into avoiding common bedroom mistakes. Don't just watch, take action, and transform your life.